G'day mates, how's it going? I'm Mr. GT, welcome to the channel. Well, today, Australia Day, you find me at Accor Stadium for the Street Muscle Cars Cruisers Meet, organised by Christopher Ioannidis. Now this is one of the best, if not the best, car shows. Attracts many muscle cars and spectators. So even though it's early, a lot of cars have come in, there's still a lot to come. So we're going to film them rolling in. So grab that nice icy cold beer, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. The Senator, ladies and gents, and one tough Charger, and the L2D, yes indeed. One tough Mustang looking very bulky at the front, very tough in that black. Stealthy records, yes sir. There's one beautiful Cortina, full immaculate. Hey, how are you? There goes Arthur in his wonderful Porsche. That thing is one beast, ladies and gents. If you don't know the car, that thing flies. Has won the Cootamundra, maybe even a couple of times, I think. Honda Civic. A nice Mini on this side. Honda CRX. The Mustang, and of course the Cortina that we saw, and one tough XR Falcon. A couple of cars got past the other way. And one crazy Tirana. Look at the tyres on that thing, huh? Group 3, the Mazda MX-5, lovely Cortina, oh yes, and one wild Charger Dodge, looking sick, and the Trans Am following behind it, and the tough Tirana hatch. Look at this beautiful convertible Mustang. And even though it's early, how are yous? How we go, lads? That's the way. Lovely SS Commodore VX. That lovely light brown colour. I could hear that thing coming from miles away. This is one beast, ladies and gents. Camiseta, yes sir. We salute this car. Listen to that. All the instruments in harmony, playing under that bonnet. Check out the Wild XR. And a US Futura behind it. Look at that tough SS. Rocky, the GT Capri with the gold Simmons, yes indeed, and the Falcon S-Pack. Very nice.
Morning, Georgie Moore. How are you?
Good morning, Mr. Chris. How are you,
How are you,
buddy?
buddy? Good morning.
Happy New Year. We haven't seen each other.
Yeah,
we have
correct.
On the phones.
Happy New Year, buddy, Moore, and happy Australia Day. So we decided to sneak in a little coffee run this morning.
That's it. How we going, lads?
All the boys, yeah. So.
And enjoy the video.
And it's good, George. It's before 7 o'clock. It's still early. All right,
I know,
it's great.
mate.
Yeah.
I'm freaking out.
I'm disappointed the coffees aren't ready, but yeah, we'll get there.
Like last time.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Oh, you got it nice and early. Good.
Oh, look at this beast, ladies and gents. Yes, sir. And the Cortina. And the RX4, yes, sir. How we go, lads?
I've got Jim and Theo here too, eh?
Are you serious?
Just there. The Dodge.
Can't be sitting there, look at this XR Falcon, mate. Woohoo! Yes, indeed. Let's have a look at this beast from the front. Yes, indeed. Wild. The Cortina. The Rotor. The RX3. How are you, lads? Hey. And the Cavalry. And the Mustang in orange. Let's have a look. What's going on over there? Nah, he's not on his tail.
Just do a rego check.
How we going, lads? All good?
Yeah, very good. Awesome morning.
That's the way.
Nice turnout. 100 cars and it hasn't even started.
Might have to be coming here from 5, I think.
Check out
in the
this
future.
bike, man. V-Rod.
Very nice. Don't know much about him, but it looks crazy. There's a barn fine ute. Chevy. Listen to this monster, ladies and gents. That is one monster and a half. The Supra. Yes, sir. And a tough GTS Holden. What else is coming? Just listen to these beasts. What a lineup. This is the idol of the hero. And the XU1. The Commodore. Immaculate. There's a Volvo wagon. The RX-7. The Ford Ute. Check out the GTSR, the first ones that came out from HSV. How we go, man? Beautiful GT. There's some magic beasts here today. There's a Camaro. Oh yeah, 100%. Listen to this beast, Tirana SS hatchback. Monster. Look at that 6 GT coming at ya. The XY. And the lovely Mustang. There's one immaculate rotor. Nice and lumpy. We've got a line up here, ladies and gents. The XW. The VK. The XYGT. The Tough XR Ute. The Mustang. The Hot Rod. One XW Beast. And another VK. Another XYGT. And the Wild Rocky. Check out that Wild XR GT. Yes, sir. The Muzzy. But they're all coming together. Check that out. Beautiful. One immaculate Beamer. There's one lovely Porsche. And on this side we have an XW. And hear the idle from here. Listen to the XW. And the one in orange, Sig Star. One in green. Galaxy. Check out this wild XWGT in that lovely blue with a lumpy idle. Sick. And there's Andy. Went for a lap in that. 2 rotaries. Yeah, we went for a lap in Andy's 6 litre. If you haven't seen that video, go have a look at it. It was a lap around the Summonats Tough Street circuit. Check out the Wild Tirana. And another one in yellow. Sick. Here comes one sick VF Commodore. I've been hearing that this thing runs 9s. And it sounds like it too. Beautiful, listen to the idle, huh? Nice. And the white Ute following. Sick. Here comes a Beamer. 100. They've got me home by 8.
Yeah, that's told me that already. Wow, look at the front.
Oh mate, check that out. Dorado. Not that I know what it is, but just from the number plate. That looks sick. OX3. Audi TT.
So this is the best RX-7 these turbo.
Yeah. That's what they like to go for here, eh? One Beast VK. Yes, sir. Whoa. Lovely. Nice XR6. And the Arbith. Lou. One of Lou's coaches. Mustang. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the video of the cars entering the car show. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your support. And we'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.